Does it look like anything's been there?
Well, that's what I was looking for. And not necessarily. Well, there are weird indentations here. Hold on.
Is he being the Sasquatch right now?
Yeah.
Yeah, there it is.
Okay.
Oh shit. There we go. Yep, that's it.
Yep. Yep. You're good.
Yeah. There's something over there.
That could have significantly been larger than I thought.
Yeah.
And how far back did it move?
Okay, from here, it looked at me, and it got back over this. Oh. That explains that noise. It was back over to here. By the time I made it to where, halfway to where it was at the first time.
And that's where it was lizard crawling?
Yeah, that's where it was lizard crawling backward. I heard a noise and it looks like it might have slipped on some of this.
And it was lizard crawling backwards, you said?
Yes, because it wouldn't stop looking at me.
And how would you describe the look it gave you?
Kind of wide-eyed and scared, like surprised more than anything because, well, I was dressed kind of like this. And I'm sure that's not normal as far as encounters with humans are.
So it just looked freaked out that you were walking in there.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure they probably don't expect that.
Yeah, very surprised. You want me to go further back?
Well, look around. Do you see anything? You see any, like...
Well, outside of like all the trees stacked on top of each other, I'm not sure how you want me to tell you what's weird.
How hard is it to traverse that back there?